Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up like this when you first download it. This is the image that you get. From here, you just have to tap in the bottom right corner in the sign in button, and then at the top you find sign in again. And here you can proceed by tapping on continue with Google, or continue with Facebook, or continue with email. Or, as you can see here is a sign in or create account. And then you just do the same thing. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope that's helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.